How's it, guys? First video. You with my boy James. Got our project 125. Don't know what bike it is though, not gonna lie. Saw somewhere it said Pussy. Like there somewhere it said Pussy or something. Yeah, you guys can just copy the VIN number. See my boy's bike's identity. It's my bike. Don't mind all the wood. It's a upcoming project. It's going. Anyway, here's my bike. Got a fresh stator. Temu's special. Look at this bad boy. Look at this bad boy. Yes, I do. What it clicks. What it views. So anyway, my bike still has a bit of work. Yes, just a bit of work. James, just a bit of work, please. Like your bike, look at you. There's some weirder stuff going on here. It's like it has two modules here for some reason. There's a take off your whole neck. So hello doggy. Hello doggy. Hello doggy. So this bike's like running really rich. And can you move your hand? And to adjust it, the air flow feels like they can't get in. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna change whatever this thing's called. Make tube dingus. Can you stop walking into me? I'm gonna switch it over to mine. Because mine, there's no air fill screw here to adjust. So, no. I think because my bike's just so perfect. I mean, yeah, it's from my boy James's bike. It's leaking oil as usual. Oh, quick break there. So I'm gonna be lazy. I'm not gonna drain the oil again, because if you drain the oil, you have to take the flywheel, open there, drain the oil. So I've come with the MacGyver shenanigans here. Laying the bike. What? As that name suggests. Yeah, as you know the name suggests, backyard mechanics. We're in the backyard. Yeah. Backyard with the lovely sunset there at the back. Look at the lovely sunset. I'm not giving you a location, James. Please, come on. So, to take off the flywheel, you'll need a special tool that I did not know of. So, a word of advice when you guys watch videos. So, anyway, word of advice: don't be like my boy James. My boy, you're watching videos how to take this thing off. He saw a video of what not to do, but I didn't read the caption. So in the video, the guy was like hammering here. He reads it. It was like damaged. Well done. So anyway, it's in here, and it got damaged. So now it's like sort of cross-threaded. Was it not? Yes, it's the introduction to the video, my boy.
Where are my friends?
I'm your bum. So anyway, this is a special tool you need. Because you bumped my bike. So this is the tool that you need. It's like it's a left-hand thread, if I'm not mistaken. This part has two different sizes. And then you screw it in. And then you basically just screw this piece in and so pop the whole flywheel out. Let's get down and dirty. So I've changed locations. Space was a bit cramped. Can you, James, please? Can you just do your work? So man took his bike apart. Like, damn. Hey, now he's taking my bike apart. Look, he's gonna miss fuel everywhere there. Oh my fuel. In this economy. What shot off? You losing my parts, my guy?
No, I was like, man, they like, look.
literally losing my parts.
That's mine actually. Oh my days.
Don't break my stuff, please.
This is my car!
I don't need to shout. I'm gonna get too angry. So anyway, like, yes, damn. Are you guys seeing this? It's not supposed to be like. It's supposed to be up your bum. It's like up your bum. Anyway, I got mechanic style this. Anyway, so to take the state out, you just pop that out and pop that out, and you just clean this off, obviously, before nasty. And you just clean this off, and you like. I'm gonna have to like break this out somehow. Because I think it's like stuck there. Anyway, as I was saying, you get these out, and you just like wiggle it a bit and it pops out. Yes, cleaned up. Oh, nicely. Yes. Shit, sorry. So, you know, I have quite a big screwdriver. And you know, pop it loose. Or attempt to. My guy. Yo, shit. Everything's tight. That's what I was looking for. So, backyard mechanic ways again. Oh my days. Guys, I may have Loctite on here. There we go. Oh, this thing's on in focus. There we go. And for this one as well. Guys, please donate to our channel so we can get a tripod. Ow! No. I'm getting defeated by it. 2 screws. And make sure not to lose your screws.
Where's my
And then you. I might have to. Oh, sorry, guys, I'm not even seeing anything.
Where's my M8?
Up your bum. Up your bum. Can you. I've resorted to violence. I don't want peace, I want violence. Shout out to Pratley Putty. Stuff holds like a bomb. But now to get out the trusty hammer, you know, backyard mechanic style. Beating that stuff up. Oh, guys, yeah, that's like solid. It's like crazy. Anyway. So ideally you do want that to happen. Well, in my defense, the wire was already like ripped out. That's why it didn't work. So I get a new one. Damn. There we go. Pop it out like that.
Steven, where's your spring and whatnot? This is mine.
Oh my god, I told you not to lose the stuff. That's here. Any mistake on my side, before you pop the stator out, so like literally just whoop, you want to make sure that nothing gets in your oil, like so. Not jaked. And this is fresh oil, by the way. Look at that, fresh stator. You can see all intact. Broken stator. That's what I like to do. Make sure your hands are clean. Obviously, preferably use fresh oil. But anyway, let's get some oil. Dab it up. Dab up the seal. You know, just for that extra protection. Lubricants. Yeah, on the outside as well. See there's a rubber seal on the outside. Anything? And get that all. And then Mr. James there on his bike, my carburetor, mind you. Anyway, back to my bike. Like to take state, not getting oil everywhere, preferably. To pop that in there. Can I still focus? Like so. And make sure your holes line up. I'm so glad this holes lined up. Didn't even check the sizing on Temu. Ideally, just pops in. There we go. Oh. Come on. So it's like there's a gap there. So I don't know. So I'm gonna put the screws in, torque it down a tiny bit. You know, start torquing it down, and then if it doesn't seat by itself, try and push it down a bit more. Anyway, and a trusty screwdriver. So me personally, I like to, you know, how you tighten the car's wheel. One side to the other side. Wait, it's going down, it's going in. It's fitting in the hole. Pause. Okay. Gotta get a gorilla grip on it. Oh, my camera's dying. Okay guys, so got it in. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the end of our video for now. You know, it's getting quite dark. Don't want to disturb neighbors. Got the carburetor on. Got the stator. Gonna wire that up. And in the next video, probably see us doing more work on the bike. Possibly starting and riding again. Well, I do need to get a new chain. It's like split here somewhere. Yes, James. Yes, sir. No, it's up. Yeah, choke is up. What is this concoction over there?
Where? If it works, it works.
Sketchy shenanigans.
I'll stop the bike in any case.
We have a small problem with the kickstart. So as you'll know, it's there and in there. But no, we go 180. Okay guys, that'll be all for today.